examples, then you see the three components, okay? The three components, okay? So you'll be something like this, right? You'll be something like this. So it'll be something like this. So this is the value of the x, the number of success. This is the value of the probability. Now we can plot the graph. The graph is like this. The graph is like this, right? So x equals to 0. X equals to 0, probability is 0 0.028. So this one 0 0.028 is here, right? At the bottom there. Then x equals to 1, probability is 0 0.16. So this is x equals to 1. This is x equal to 1. The probability is shown by the length there, 0 0.16. X equals to 2. This is x equal to 2. Probability is shown by the length of this blue line. So the length of this blue line is 0 0.35. Okay. Then x equals to 3. That means 3 success lah. What is the probability? We have counted the probability 0 0.33. Oh, it's here 0 0.33. Then and so on for 0 0.12, right? I'm going to show you, if you don't quite understand the three components, I'm going to show you one more example. Okay, the example is like this. Ayo, okay. How to count? Let me hide all this first. Hide lah, hide, hide. Okay, then didn't hide yet. Okay, hide. Okay, hide, 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 hide. Didn't hide all yet. Hide all. Hide all this. Okay, right. Li Ying, can you read the question number 1? This one, question number 1.
Say 6 out of 10 pupils randomly selected had attend a leadership camp. If 5 people are selected randomly from that group of pupils, and X represents the number of pupils who have participated in the leadership camp, draw a graph to represent the probability distribution of X.
Okay, we want to find the probability distribution of X. Now, when you read any question, there are 3 things that you need to identify. The first one is the Bernoulli's trial. The formula for finding probability also 3 components. But when you read the question, you have also to identify the 3 parameters. Actually, we call it parameters. The 3 things that you need to identify. Number 1, the probability of success. What is success? What is the probability of success? Number 2, how many times is this Bernoulli's trial repeated? How many times repeated? Then what is the X, the discrete random variable? This X is actually the number of things, number of pupils, success, number of people attending the leadership course, and so on, right? So when I read the question, 6 out of 10 attended the leadership course. That means the probability of a student attending or attended the leadership course is 6 over 10. So the probability is 6 over 10, right? So the P is equals to 6 over 10. Then what is the Q? Q is 1 minus P, right? So it is 4 over 10. How many times is this Bernoulli's trial repeated? How many times can you tell me? You read the question and see how many times is this selection of pupil attended the leadership course one? How many pupils is chosen? It's repeated how many times?
6 people chosen.
6 out of 10 they have attended the course. That means one group of them. Out of 10 of them, 6 of them attended the course. We are not choosing 6 of them. We know the result is 6 over 10. The probability of attended is 6 over 10. But how many student is chosen at random to test whether they attended the course or not?
5.
5. So that
5.
means we are repeating the trial. Oh, take one student. Hey, you have followed the course or not, the leadership course or not? You have followed? Oh yes, okay. Success. Then you choose another pupil. Hey, you ask him, you attended the leadership course? They say no, then failure. Okay, so five, they are chosen 5 of them. So this experiment is repeated 5 times. Now, what is the x, the discrete random variable there? X is the number of pupils who has attended the leadership course. Maybe what are the values? From 0 to how many? You are going to choose 5 students and test them. So how many students attended the course? It can be 0,
5.
can be
0,
5,
1, 2,
can be
3.
1, 0 to 5. Okay, so that means when you read the question, you have identified the 3 things: probability of success 6 over 10, value of n 5 times, the choosing is repeated 5 times. Then the last one is x. X is the number of students out of the 5 students, the number of students attended the course. That is x, the value of x. Okay, so now we try and see. So they say 6 out of 10 attended the leadership camp. 6 out of 10 is actually telling you the probability. What probability is that? Probability of attended the course. Or you can say probability of success. Probability of success. Then you must also find the value of Q. What is the value of Q? If earlier on attended the course, then the Q is not attended the course, not attended. Not attended the course, how to find? You use 1 minus P. 1 minus P. So it's 1 minus 6 over 10, 4 over 10. Very good. Number one, the first thing you have identified the value of P and Q. Okay. Second one. Second one is you have to list out all the outcome lah. A means attended law. A prime means not attended, the complement of A. If A is attended, then the complement of A is not attended. And from here, you can list out all the possible outcome. Attended, 5 of them, attended, 5. Or attended, not attended the course. So there are many possible outcomes. And all these outcomes, through the tree diagram, I can list out all the outcomes. And from this outcome, I can count, this outcome got how many success, this outcome got how many success. I can actually count them, right? And the number of success is shown in the last column. Okay, so I read from here, selecting a pupil is a Bernoulli trial. It has 2 outcomes, attended and not attended. Attended is success, not attended is failure. The probability of success, P, is 6 over 10, and not attended means failure. The probability is 4 over 10, right? Next one. And how many times is this attended, not attended selection repeated? It is repeated 5 times. So n equals to 5. Lastly, what is the x? X is the number attended the leadership course lah. So x can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this case, it is a discrete random variable. Okay, right. Next. I want to find the probability of not attended. No one attended. X0, no one attended. Okay. So how many cases are there? X equals to 0, only one case. And you remember how to use combination to find this number or not? How many cases one? You remember how to use combination to find? How many C, how many?
Where teacher?
How many are there altogether? How many of these things? A prime, A prime, how many?
5,
5. You want to choose how many?
5, 10, 0,
Nobody attended. So you choose how many?
0,
Choose 0. 5 choose 0 is actually 1. 5 choose 0 is actually 1. Yeah. 5 choose 0 is 1. So is 5 choose 0? Nobody attended. So the probability of attending is 0. 6. 0.6 is to the power 0. Then, wow, if none of them attended, no, nobody attended. So how many didn't attend one? Didn't attend one altogether, 5. So it's 0.4 to the power of 5. So all the three components are there, right? Okay, now can you tell me what are the three components in this one? X equals to 1. So what is the probability of x equal to 1? First component, what is it?
5, choose 1,
Correct. 0.6 to the power of
1,
1. 0.4 to the power of
4,
very good, correct. Okay, correct. So is 5 choose 1, 0.6 to the power 1, 0.4 to the power of 4. Next case. Oh, so many. So x equals to 2, right? We want 2 students attended the course. 3 students didn't attend the course. So how to count the probability of x equal to 2? 2 students attended the course. Start with the outcome, the number of outcome. Now x equal to 2.
5C2,
5c2. 0.6 to the power of what?
2,
0.4 to the power
2,
of what?
3,
3. Okay. So if you use this one, use permutation to count, and you know that it is 5c2, 0.6 to the power 2, 0.2 to the power of 3. This one, can you tell me what is the probability of x equals to 3? Any other girl want to
5C3.
try?
Okay.
Li Ying know already. Any other girls want to try? 5 choose what? Any other girl want to try? Okay. 5c3, correct. Then 0.6 to the power of what, Jiayan? 0.6 to the power 3. Then 0.4 to the power of what? Yes, correct. So it will be 5c3, 0.6 to the power 3, 0.4 to the power of 2. Very good. Oh, this one didn't hide the picture yet. Hide the answer first. Okay, hide the answer first. Okay. Anyone wants to try? Ethan want to try this one? The probability, first component, 5 of them, so 5 choose what? Ethan, you just type there. 5 choose how many? Yes, 5 choose. This one is x equal to 4 already. 4. X equal to 4 is 5 choose 4, not 5 choose 3. So type again. 5 choose 4. Type. If x equal to 4 means 5 choose 4. Type again, 5 choose 4 there. Yes. Now, this one, 0.6 to the power of how many? If it's 5 choose 4, then 0.6 to the power of how many? 0.6 is success. So success is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times? 0.6. Success, 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 success. So how many times? 0.6 to the power of, you see here, x to the power 3 that time, 5 choose 3. 0.6 also power of 3. Then 0.4 is 2. Why 2? Because altogether 5. Already 3 success. So 2 failure. 5 minus 3. So you get the 2 here. So now you have 5C4, right? Even 5C4. So success is 0.6. So 0.6 to the power of what? If this is 4, this is 4, then this one is 0.6 to the power of what? 4, correct. Then 0.4 to the power of what? The failure got how many times? Altogether 5 times. 4 failure, 4 success, 1 failure, correct, very good. So this is how we're going to do it, right? So 5C4, 6 to the power 4, 0.4 to the power 1, good, right. So last one, last one, anyone want to tell me the answer? Li Ying, can you tell me the answer? 5
Okay, teacher.
success, so
5 choose 5,
correct,
0.6 to the power of 5,
correct,
0.4 to the power of
okay,
0.
very good, okay. So that is how we find the number. But do you know how to use the calculator to find answer or not? You know how to use calculator, all of you? You
Yes,
know?
teacher.
Huh? Yes, no, you know how to use the calculator, okay. So you just type there 5C3. Let's say, for example, I ask you this 5C3, then you times 0.6 to the power 3 times 0.4 to the power 2. Then you will get the answer there, right? So you can use the calculator. Okay. Now, after using the calculator, you draw the graph. You draw the graph, use this one is the probability here. On the y-axis, it is the probability. So how much is the probability? 0.01. So this is 0.1, 0.01, very small one here at the bottom there. Okay, so that is the probability of 0. Probability of 1 is 0.07. 0.07 is here. Nearly 0.01 already. So you draw the graph here. And after that, how many? X equal to 2 is 0.23. Here 0.2. 0.23 is a bit higher here. So this is x equals to 2. X equal to 3, 0.34. 0.3, 0.35, 0.34 somewhere here. So this is the probability of x equals to 3. X equals to 4, 0.26, 0.2, 0.25 here, 26 a bit higher. Okay, so this is 0.26. So you plot the graph to show the distribution of the probability. What is the total probability here? All these probably add together. How much do you think it is? All this red color one, all add together. What is it, the total equals to? Anyone? Yes, the total is equals to 1. The total is 1, correct.